This is the Samsung S20 FE. My new phone. It has been 2 years since I've gotten a new phone, and I saw this guy on a good price, so I picked it up. And I've got to tell you, I am blown away by the new technology they have in cameras. My old phone, the S8, not that much older, still had a great camera, but I am blown away by the features they've put into this camera. In today's video, we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you guys some cool footage and photos you can get with this thing, because it is quite insane what you can do.
So first, right out of the box, this thing is a nice looking phone, pretty premium, even though it's supposed to be their quote-unquote budget phone, with a few items that they skimped out on to keep costs down, like having a plastic back instead of the glass. But overall though, I think the build quality is really good. Out of the box, you get a screen protector on it, which is a nice feature, which more phones would do. Also getting rid of the Bixby button, that's a big plus for me. I hated that thing on the last phone.
This phone also has a 450 milliwatt hour battery, which is crazy to me because it's so big compared to what my previous phones were like. I'm easily getting 6 to 7 hours of on-screen time. I do have the 120 hertz refresh rate turned off though, just down to 60 hertz, because I don't really play games and I don't really care about the snappiness that they have with this. So I'm okay with just the normal, because that's what I'm used to, which then gives me much better battery life. It also has fast wireless charging, which I really like. I'm a big fan of wireless charging. My previous phone, the charging port wouldn't hold the cable anymore. I think probably because of pocket lint or something along those lines. So having wireless charging is a big yes for me. So this is my third Samsung phone. I had the S6, the S8, and now this. And the one thing that always blew me away with Samsung phones and why I keep buying them is the cameras. And this phone is no exception. The cameras on this thing is crazy. You have a 3x zoom telephoto, you have the normal 1x camera that's still very good, and you also have the wide angle lens. Both of which, the telephoto and the wide angle, I have not had on a phone before, so it has been a treat. Here's some sample photos I took of the first day I got this phone, just walking around and taking some pictures. I did edit them on Lightroom, just so you know, so the colors are popping a lot more than they normally would out of phone. That being said though, it's still an amazing image you get out of this phone, and it continues to blow me away. With video features too, everything I've filmed so far using this phone, it's just been auto, straight auto, but it does have a pro mode where you can adjust all the attributes and set it the way you want so you can get the image that you want, which is really cool to see. It's great that phones nowadays have features like that, because you can use it for social media and other things like that and don't have to shell out for a good camera to do the same thing you can with your phone for small size content. So really cool to see. So with having 3 lenses, having a pro mode for video, I'm pretty sure with this phone you can make some cool little like B-roll sequences, like cinematic looking things. Let's see if I can make something. So overall, really impressed with this. They say the best camera you got is the one that's on you. So having an upgraded cell phone camera, I think is gonna be huge, because I already enjoy taking random photos with my old phone. So I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. And yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. Technology is blowing my mind every day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys like this kind of content, make sure to hit subscribe for more. I'm still trying to figure out what kind of content I really want my channel to be about, so it's a little bit kind of over the place still, but I'm still having fun doing it, so hopefully you guys are enjoying watching it as well. Anyways, subscribe, do all that stuff, that YouTube thing, and we'll see you in the next video. No clue when it's going to be, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye!